How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add your Namecheap domain to Google Workspace. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. Basically just follow the on-screen instructions that I'm about to show you, and you guys should be good to go. So step one is to log into your Google admin console to access the configuration settings for your Workspace account. So if you're doing this for the very first time, you will need to accept Google Workspace's terms and conditions, or I should say terms of service. Once you're in, you want to click on Verify Domain right here at the top, or rather at the top right corner of the screen to move on to the next step. So step two is to click on the next button in the window that appears. So the window looks like this. Welcome to Admin Console. This is where you'll actually get to add the Namecheap domain. So once you have this set up, you want to click on the verify option right here. So what we're doing essentially is we're getting Google Workspace verified first to accept new domains before we extract the TXT record from Namecheap. So once you click on verify, hit continue, and you should be good to go. Now on the next page, there will be a verification record for your domain, and it usually starts with Google site then verification. So it looks a little bit like this. So you want to copy this, right? And then you want to go to your Namecheap account, and you want to access the domain list. So once you've logged in, you're on the dashboard. You want to click on domain list. Basically, follow this path here. Manage, advanced DNS, host records, and add a new record. And if it asks you for what type of record you want to add, you want to select TXT to set it up. So once you've done that, you'll see this little page here. So this is where you'll paste the TXT record that we just copied from Google Workspace, and then click on Save Changes. And additionally, you can also set up your email to have like a mailing system going. And to do all of that, you want to scroll down till you find the setting that says Mail Settings. So that's where you'll get to configure it. Now, after all that's done, click on Verify Domain and wait until the verification process is finished and you guys are done. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.